Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Boss Ozu. In this video, I will be sharing an update about digital products. Currently, if you are familiar with, if you go to Facebook often, you see that some people are now selling digital products on Facebook, and this is exactly what I will be sharing, how they are doing it and how you can make money from it. This is exactly I will be sharing in this video. You can get free courses and free video courses and free ebook from online. Package it, then sell it on Facebook through seller. Just three-way medium. You get the book online, you package it, together, then you set up seller page, which is free. Getting the book is also free. Then you go to Facebook. The only thing that will cost you money is Facebook. You will need money to run ad, yes, but you make a lot of money back, because Facebook you have wide audience. You have Nigerian, you have Cameroon, you have many African countries. People are really making money from this updates. So let's start. First thing you need to do first is to know where to get this ebook, and where you can get it is Google. You can get it through Google. Go to your Google and search PLR digital products. PLR simply means private private label rights, which means those people that own those courses, those ebooks, give you right to resell it to other people. So let's check some of the platform. I will recommend some platform here. I will recommend this idplr.com. Is a good platform. You can get a lot of free ebook here. Then this free PLR download tool is also good. You can check out all these platforms. Check them out. Or anything that has PLR, check them out. We'll be using one platform for example. Let's click it. So here we are, idplr.com. They have let's check their digital product that they have. See something. They have make money with video marketing, TikTok, YouTube, turn your skill into profits, blah blah blah. You can get this for $14. These ones are paid. These ones are paid courses and paid ebook. You can also, if you have money, you can also buy them, repackage them, and resell to a lot of people. Imagine buying these make money with video marketing for just $14 and package it together and sell it for like 10,000 naira, 10,000 naira to close to 1,000 people. You will make a lot of money. You make your money even if you don't sell it to 1,000 people. If you can sell it to between 200 to 500 people, it is enough. You make a lot of money from it. But Rome is not built in a day. You will surely encounter some issue along the way, but if you are determined, you will get it right. So let's go to their free one. They have free courses and free ebook too that you can get. Let's check it here. See, as you can see, free PLR product. They have free ebooks, free software and scripts that you can repackage, free video tutorials and courses that you can repackage and resell, graphics and design, templates. Let's check the free videos. If you have money, I will advise you to go for those paid ones. But if you don't have enough, you can start with free one. You can start with free one. See, that these people bring in. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load. They have free. I don't know why they are not bringing it. Okay, before you can access the free, you need to log in first. You need to register, log in first before you can get their free. For this idpl.com, you need to log in first before you'll be able to access their free products. So try to log in. Let's try to log in. Since I don't have accounts here. So I've moved to another platform since that one require registration first before you can continue with it. So you can go to that idpl.com too, but you need to register before you will get their ebook and video courses for free. You need to register. So this one here now, you can, without registration, you can quickly glance through their free ebook and free software, free video courses too. Now let's check this free ebook. Make first $100 on the web. This is their niches. You can search for anything here. Let's go for affiliate, or let's go for business. Let's see if they have any business ebook. Yes, they have. This is Shopify, success with Shopify. You can bundle all this one together. Shopify courses, e-commerce, online advertising, and many more. You can get like 5 to 6. It can even be a video courses. Go for video courses. Video courses is very, very good. Get like 5 or even 10, or even like 10 to 15. Bundle them together, put them into one platform. You can put them on your Telegram. You can upload them on Telegram. Create a group on Telegram and upload it, like 10 videos. Or you can use Google Drive. Google Drive is also okay. Then after you bundle them together, go to seller and set up a page, a seller page. A seller page will look like this. Yeah, set up a seller page that will look just like this. You set up a seller page that will look like this. Then they will buy whatever you are selling through this seller platform. When a seller click on buy, let me locate it. When seller click on buy, it will lead you to the WhatsApp number. It will lead them to the WhatsApp number or Telegram channel you provided to seller. Seller will take some percentage. Maybe let's say this out of 25,000 naira now. Seller will take like 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira from this 25,000 naira. In fact, I don't think it's up to that. So, but seller will take some percentage. Let's try to register on seller. How to create your account. Let me see if I have account. Yes, I have one account ready. To register on seller is not hard. What you need to input is your name, your email, your phone number, and your account number. You can use paper, which we use to collect money when they buy your ebook or your course. When you register on seller, either through your phone or your laptop, go to change this. You will see an icon at the top, something like this. Just click on drop down and switch to creator profile. Leave this affiliate and customer profile, go for creator profile. Then Then you can come here and add your products. You add your products here. It is free. Seller will not collect, seller will not charge you for anything. It won't charge you for anything. Just click on add products. Then click on digital products. See, this is where you will do the work. What you will do is to create a image. You can go to Canva. Go to Canva to create an image, the ebook image or any art image that is okay. You can just copy some format on Canva, then edit it and download it, then input it here. Input it here. Make sure the art image you will create is okay, because you'll be using it for Facebook ad. Something like this. You can go ahead and create something like this, or you can use ChatGPT. Yes, I use ChatGPT for this image you are seeing, for this hard image you are seeing here. You can use ChatGPT to do it. Then after that, so you input the image here. You name the product whatever you want to name it. Then here you input the price. You input the price in, if you want to sell to Ghanaian, you input the price here. Then you write some words like hard copy. You write some hard copy here. You write some hard copy here. Then you put input categories. You input subcategories. So then like that, you click on create products. Before you create it, make sure you go through it first so that you know what you need to input and get ready for it. So let's move here. After that, after getting your ebook or video courses and bundle them together into one video and upload it to your Google Drive or your Telegram. Next thing is to go to seller and create a sales page. Register with your email, register with your phone number, you add everything, you add your details and create a sales page. When you create a sales page, they will give you a link. Seller will give you a link. Then after that, what you need to do is to go to Facebook, create a page. After creating a page, then create ad. I'm very sure everybody has Facebook. Go to your Facebook, create a page. After creating page, from there you create your ad account. Then from there you run your ad. When you come to Facebook and create a page for the first time, you need to set up some stuff. Just go ahead, set it up. It's easy to do. It's very easy to create. Set up the page, then create ad account. From your ad account, you will create another ad copy. Let me see if I have some campaigns ongoing. Let me see if I have. Yeah, as you can see, I have created. Let's see. Let me edit it. So that you can see. Yeah, you start from new campaign. When you open your ad manager account, first thing you need to do is to go to your lead campaign. You'll be shown this you'll be showing this campaign. Then you will go ahead and input the name of the campaign. You can input anything. It's not hard to do. Just go through it before you set up anything. Play with it, you will get it. You will surely get it. Then set up, what is hard here is to set up your budget. You can set up 5,000 per day, 2,000 per day, 1,000 per day. I think the least you can set up is 1,600 per day. So new lead assets, you go you go to the asset and you give it a name. I give this asset name new lead asset. It's not hard to do. As you can see, this is my Facebook page. You have to create a Facebook page before you can run ad on Facebook. I will create a video on how to run ad perfectly, and how to run ad on Facebook very soon. Just stay to make sure you subscribe to the video, to the channel rather. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment. I will soon upload video on how to create Facebook ad accounts. It's not hard, but before then, go to your Facebook, create a page, then create Facebook ad, then just play around with it. You will surely get it. Play around with it, or go ahead and search for how to run ad on Facebook, on YouTube. It's easy. There are many videos on it on YouTube. I will also upload my own video very soon. So that is that about that. When you create ad on Facebook and someone click your ad, it will direct them to this seller page you create. It will direct them to the seller page you create. And after leading them here, when they click to buy, when they click this buy now, it will lead them to the Google Drive, Google Drive or Telegram channel you've created, you've bundled the video to, or the ebook. So they will go there to watch it and get it. So that is out about the update. Make sure you do something about it. You can just play with it for now. In fact, to get it right, you don't need to put much money for now. You can input like maybe 10,000 naira to your Facebook account to test it out, to test run it. And when you are downloading ebook, make sure you go for what people are going to buy. For this kind of Shopify now, many people want to learn Shopify in Nigeria. You can go for it. E-commerce too is okay. Online advertising too is okay. You can bundle all these things together, like 3 in 1, 4 in 1, 5 in 1, with cheap price. Cheap price. All these you can get like 10 video courses and price it at 5,000 naira. What will be in your mind is that, how am I going to make profit? You will surely make profit. Nigerians like free things. They like free things and easy things. When you bundle them together, it will attract them. They will be like they are getting much more for their money. Imagine paying 5,000 naira and getting a course that is worth 100,000 naira. That is exactly what Nigerians like. Go ahead and create it, bundle it together, and make your money from it. That is that about this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment to this video, and thank you for watching.